Making the beds into singles, first we turn round the cab seats to face the rear. We slide out the bed box frames in line with the cabin seats. We slide the seat base cushions out to meet the bed frames and slide the backrest cushions down the wall side. This will give us a wider bed with our head nearest to us and our feet on the cab seats. Making the bed to a double bed, first we slide out the bed frames. Next we slide the cushions into place, and that will give us a double bed across the van. The cushions can be turned over if required.